my channel. I have had the craziest day with technical difficulties, but we're here. If you clicked on this video, you can see that it worked out and it uploaded. I'm also going a little crazy because the world is crazy right now, and I've been in my house for 3 weeks. I've only gotten outside to take a walk or to go grocery shopping, which is why I felt like this video would be perfect for all of you guys right now if you are looking for a way to brighten up your space. So I threw together an arrangement that's made up of flowers that I foraged for. I found the flowers driving around on the side of the road in random places, in fields, around my house, but not in people's yards because that's a really good way to make people mad. And then I wound up with a cute little arrangement for my space. So if you would like to recreate something like that for yourself, maybe for Easter because that's coming up, or even just to have in your space, then keep on watching. The first step in making this arrangement is obviously to go foraging. A couple things you can look for are yellow forsythia, daffodils like I'm holding here. You can also trim blooms off of trees that are beginning to bloom. I usually just drive around for a while and eventually I'll see something pretty. That's my recommendation of how to forage. Just drive around, look for patches of flowers alongside the road, check in fields. Those are usually the spots that I look for. Okay, I'm back in my studio, ready to get started. So let's jump to it. Well, hello there. What you're gonna need for this is some type of vase with water, and then you're also going to need some clippers. Scissors do work, but when it comes to branches that are thicker like this, it is a little bit hard to cut through, so if you can find any type of gardening clippers around your house, that's gonna be your best bet. So let's go over very quickly what I found. So I have a couple different kinds of daffodils that I found. I was honestly lucky to find a patch of them like on the side of the road. There were a bunch. And we also had a bush in the field next to my house. Just drive around a little and I guarantee you'll find some daffodils because they're everywhere right now. This is a branch from a tree. These are also everywhere. All the trees right now are blooming and they look really pretty. This is, let's see if I remember what it's called. Wow, I'm not even a florist, I don't even know this. Oh yeah, and this is forsythia, which is also everywhere, especially in PA. So those are the ingredients that we're gonna be working with. So the first step in making any arrangement is choosing your bigger pieces that are going to create the shape of the arrangement. So I'm probably gonna add all these daffodils last. I think I'm going to start with the forsythia. Wow, this piece is so big. I'm just gonna clip a little piece. I'm gonna take the blooms near the bottom off. And this guy is gonna come, this is gonna go in standing like pretty tall. And I'm gonna take another piece and trim it a little bit shorter. Take some of the blooms off towards the bottom. Put him right there. The next thing I want to do is add some of this blooming branch. So I'm going to take a piece. This piece is really good, the shape of it, I think, to add in. I'm just kind of like holding it in front of the vase to see how much I want to clip off. This is like what I'm working with right now. The next thing I'm going to do is cut a piece short. Well, I just snapped this branch because it's honestly so thick that I don't even think my clippers would get through it. And we're going to add this guy here. Alright, so now we have the shape created for the arrangement with the forsythia and the blooming branch, and now we're ready to throw in some flowers into the mix. What I'm going to do is pick the flowers that out of the bunch that I picked. I'm going to select the ones that are my most favorite and make them be the focal flowers in the arrangement. And my plan is to not really tuck them in too low. I want them to stick out and be the focal points in the arrangement. I'm also being careful to make sure that all of the flowers are in the arrangement at different heights. That just creates lots of dimension and variety. Let's see how it's looking. Now I'm going to add in probably a yellow one. Guys, these all look so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna trim his stem shorter and make him be closer to the arrangement. So this is what I have so far. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in time lapse now so that it doesn't take too long. Ta-da! This is the final result. It's already making me so happy having all of these bright colors, and guys, I just love daffodils after foraging them and seeing how cute they are in arrangement. I hope this was helpful for you. I don't know if I'm like the best at giving tutorials, but I just wanted to kind of share with you my process on how I would like throw together a foraged arrangement, and this could be super cute for Easter. By the way, I didn't want to forget to add or mention to this video that the space I'm working in is actually my design studio. It's actually a camper from the 1980s, which is kind of cool. I was thinking of doing a tour of this space in my next video or something, or like soon or whatever. Comment down below and let me know if you would like to see that. Subscribe if you're digging these floral videos. I'll see you guys later.